When it comes to baking, the right tools can make all the difference, and baking cups are no exception. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 best baking cups, highlighting their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out in the kitchen. Let's dive in and find the perfect baking cups for your next baking adventure. Number 5. Kiki 1000 PCS White Cupcake Liners Muffin Liner No Smell, Food Grade Baking Cup Standard Size. About this item, OVE and microwave SAFE Kiki Cupcake Liner could withstand up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, generally used temperature 302 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, oven, microwave, and refrigerator safe. Standard size E1000 count/white, 2-inch, 5 cm, /bottom, 2.75-inch, 7 cm, /top, 1.3-inch, 3.2/height. High quality. We adopt superior raw material only, and our box quality through the Food Safety Quality Text FDA. Safety healthy. We know health is the first over everything, so we adopt raw material of the best quality only. Customer purchase experience. Safety is the most important to us. Number 4. Giftboro Bright Rainbow Standard Cupcake Liners Solid Colorful Paper Baking Cups 400 count. About this item, dress up a batch of cupcakes or muffins with these fun standard rainbow muffin liners. Includes 400 solid colored liners, 8 colors: red, orange, yellow, purple, green, Tiffany blue, dark blue, and pink. Quick, colorful, and festive way to dress up your cupcakes and muffins. Giftboro multicolored cupcake liners will come in handy for every special occasion all year long. Standard size 2 inches. 5 centimeters bottom. Paper baking cups fit standard cupcake muffin pans. Perfect for your theme party. Colorful rainbow baking cups makes them ideal for cupcakes, muffins, holding nuts, desserts, and candies. Number 3. Amazon Basics Reusable Silicone Round Baking Cups, Muffin Liners. Pack of 12, multicolor, 2.9 by 2.9 by 1.3 inches, LXWXH. About this item, reusable round baking cups, 12-pack, in assorted colors, ideal for baking, lunch/snack cups, and more. Made of food-grade, BPA-free silicone, can be reused again and again. Works with any standard muffin pan, stain and odor resistant, flexible and non-stick for effortless food release. No greasing or cooking spray needed. Oven safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, microwave safe and freezer safe. Simple to clean. Stuck-on messes fall off easily with just a bit of soap. Dishwasher safe. Product dimensions: 3 by 3 by 1.3 inches, LXWXH. Number 2. 200 PCS Natural Tulip Cupcake Liners for Baking Cups Unbleached European Parchment Paper Tulip Muffin Liners. Cupcake wrapper for party, Christmas. About this item, size/color. Package includes 200 unbleached pieces of tulip cupcake liners in total. The bottom diameter of these cupcake cups is 1.97 inches, 5 centimeters, fitting standard muffin or cupcake pan. The depth is 2.2 inches, 5.5 centimeters, at the low point and 3.15 inches, 8 centimeters, at the high point with a capacity of 3 ounces. Reliable material, reliable brand. Quality is our top priority. The paper of Bake Choice Cupcake Liners is from Europe. Easy to use and versatile. Tulip cupcake liners are a great choice to upgrade your cupcake. Compared with normal cupcake liners, tulip cupcake liners make cupcakes look more beautiful and fresh. Heat-resistant thicker paper. Bake Choice tulip cupcake liners are made from 50-55 gram/m2 greaseproof paper, which is 1/5 thicker than normal parchment paper. Number 1. Capersi Standard Natural Cupcake Liners 500 count, no smell, parchment paper muffin liners, food grade greaseproof baking cups, About this item, pack of 500, top of the paper cupcake liners is 7.0 cm/2.75 inch. The bottom is 5 cm/2.0 inch. Height is 3 cm per 1.2 inches. It's standard size cupcake/muffins pan. No smells, no poison, no leaking dyes. These standard muffin papers materials are all made of the food-grade material. This will ensure no smells, no poison, no leaking dyes. Oven microwave safe. Capersi cupcake wrappers can withstand up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, ideal for cupcakes, muffins. Oven, microwave, and refrigerator safe. Suitable for a variety of occasions: weddings, baby showers, anniversaries, birthdays, graduation parties. High-quality baking cups make your cupcakes look professional.